This is fishing at its finest right here. All right, we got a random race, G35 versus Mustang. It just came out of nowhere. Wow. Well, it doesn't look like they're racing today. Oh yeah, it's a stock G35 versus a 5.0. Alright, so we're gonna try to see if we can, this is fishing at its finest right here. We didn't even have to do anything. But we're gonna see if this Mustang wants to come back and race the work truck. Hopefully he does. I just got the call, the bait is set. We're waiting for the Mustang now. So I'm gonna set the GoPro up and then hopefully we can get a nice kill. So let's get this popping. Just hop it. You gotta hop in the middle, matey. Watch out for the Mustang. Just line them up. Thanks for watching, guys. Comment, rate, subscribe, and now I'll see you guys in the next one. Look out for more of the videos of this truck and just to see how it performs and stuff. See you guys later.
God, oh my God, if I die, I'm a legend. When they lay me down to rest, I know I was always repping.